If you're a RZR owner, you know the struggles of trying to park your machine on an incline. It's really hard on the transmission, and sometimes you can't even get it back into gear. So what SuperATV did was come out with a parking brake for the Polaris RZR, and it sounds like it may be a hard install, but we're going to show you just how super easy it is to get it installed on this Polaris RZR Turbo S. So let's get right to it. So the first thing we're going to do is go inside the machine on the driver's side, locate the brake pedal, and if you look closely here behind the pedal, you're going to notice that you have 4 studs. You're going to have 2 nuts on top and 2 nuts on bottom. You'll have a nut here as well as a nut here. The 2 nuts on the bottom, you'll want to go ahead and remove them. Once you've removed your 2 nuts, you're going to grab your SuperATV parking brake, slide it right up onto the studs that the nuts were attached to. And then we're going to reinstall our nuts. We can go ahead and fully tighten our nuts. And then really quick, we'll just test the functionality. So as you can see right there, it's got our brake pedal locked down. So to release it, all you have to do is just push down on the pedal and it releases the brake. Also, parked your machine somewhere and you're worried about somebody potentially wanting to take it, we have a hole here to where you can take a lock and lock that. So that's all there is to it to install SuperATV's park brake on this Polaris RZR Turbo S. Be sure to pick yours up today by checking the link in the description. Also, while you're there, drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.